Hi everyone, it's Elvin from The Right Move. We are here today at a 2,713 square feet freehold penthouse in Balmoral, one of the most sought after addresses in District 10. This is a one-of-a-kind unit with two separate sheltered terraces, one of which can be combined with the living room to create this huge common space. Ta-da! Here at the Rooftop Cabana, we have a more private space. There's water points, electrical points over there, so you can have everything that you need without having to go downstairs. So here is where you can continue the party and make as much noise as you want without disturbing the neighbors or the rooms downstairs. And it's also here where you can fully appreciate the privacy that this unit offers because of the distance we have from our neighbors. Now as we finally step into the house, this is the living area that connects seamlessly to the sheltered terrace. So even with the sliding glass closed, this is still an extremely spacious space. We have excellent natural light coming in on both sides. As we take a step up, here we have the dining area. This is currently a pretty small dining table, but as you can see, you could easily fit in an 8-seater, be it a long rectangular one or a round one. Here we have the dry kitchen and the wet kitchen, with which you can enclose with this sliding glass door should you choose to do heavy cooking. We also have a yard, WC, and a separate helper's room and store. And one of the features I love about this home is that there's not a lot of wasted corridor space. This helps to open everything up the minute you step into the unit. Onto the bedrooms, we have 4 in total, including a study. The master bedroom has a fair bit of storage built in, but still feels extremely spacious. What you see over here is a super king-size bed. We have double panel windows to again allow for great natural light. For bathrooms, there's 3 in total, plus the WC. With landed properties in our vicinity mostly asking for $10 million and above, this landed in the sky coming in at just under $5.8 million is a great alternative that you could consider. And before we go, a quick look at the amenities. We'll start with the schools, as it's one of the main reasons people buy into Balmoral. We are 1 km to SCGS and both ACS Primary and Junior. We are a short 5 minutes walk to Balmoral Plaza with its F&B options and NTUC. And if you cross the road, we have the newly refurbished Chancery Court with cold storage. Our nearest MRT is Newton MRT. That's a 13 minutes walk away. It's also there that you'll find the popular Newton Circus Food Centre. Alternatively, you could drive just 4 minutes to get to Ion Orchard and 5 minutes to get to the 4 malls at Novena MRT. Thank you so much for joining us on this home tour today. We hope you enjoyed the unit as much as we did. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as you'll help out the channel a ton. Till next time, bye!